Hi, I'm Lou, another episode of My Car Story. I'm here with Jeremy. Jeremy?
Yeah, Dimick.
Jeremy, good to see you. And we're here in Flint, Michigan. And we're at where?
We're in the Buick gallery of the Sloan Museum.
So you want to come out to this museum and see some of these unique cars. Now, the car we're going to feature next, what year is this?
It's a 1913 Chevrolet Classic 6.
Is it okay to have a Chevrolet in the Buick Museum?
Yeah, I actually would come by it honestly. It's all Flint production. So
Okay.
any cars built in Flint,
All right,
Genesee County
that
will
makes
be
it
taken.
okay.
Yeah.
All right, we'll take it. So let me grab the camera as I usually do. And you shared something with me. Come on back. Look at this beauty. You shared something with me. Tell me about what's the unique piece of this 1913 Chevrolet?
It's recognized as the oldest running Chevrolet in the world.
Wow.
There is one older that's out there. It does not run, and it's in a museum in Alberta. But yeah, 1913, oldest running Chevy in the world.
So when did Chevrolet start?
Yeah, in 1912, and it's a fascinating story on how these cars got built. Louis Chevrolet, of course, a famous race car driver, was brought in by Billy Durant, who started General Motors to build a car to compete with the Model T. But Louis, got sent off, and he designed this car, and he designed this big, beautiful, expensive car that was nothing like a Model T. Led to a falling out between the two of the guys, and because Durant wanted the cheap car, and Chevrolet wanted to build his dream car. And the designer got his way, and this was the car they came up with.
Wow. Well, first of all, it's a beautiful color.
Yeah, the blue. Of course, already competing with the Model T. Any color as long as it's black. With Chevrolets, you could get any color. The blue included.
And the wonderful seats and the wooden wheels here that we're featuring. And notice the words Flint, Michigan there, right on the cap, so it qualifies. Lots of room in the back, and gotta jump the fence here to get an overall shot of the back of this one. Jeremy, how'd you come across this car for the collection?
It was actually purchased by our summer fair committee, the event this weekend that's going on. All the proceeds from the show go to the committee to fund the restoration and the purchase of historic automobiles. And so the summer fair committee tracked it down and bought it, and was nice enough to donate it.
Wow. And look at the big roof line. Can we take a look under the hood?
Sure.
We'll pop the hood. Holding the windshield up and the great stainless steel. That looks great. Nobody opens a hood like the Curator, I'll tell you that. That was like putting a diaper on a fresh baby. That was beautiful. And we've got the oil in there. And that just looks great. Pretty simplistic.
Yeah, inline six, 40 horsepower. It's 299 cubic inches.
You know what? Let's do this though. Let's shut this side. I want to actually take a look at the other side
Sure.
of the engine too, because they do look different on each side. And I'm going to walk around the far side here. While you're doing that, we'll give you a quick snapshot of some of the other cars here in the museum as we walk around. The Bug, which if you'd like to see the Bug, come to the museum's website. Jay Leno did a great feature on that. And here's the other side. I love the stainless steel front end on it.
Yeah, another one of those expensive details that Chevrolet insisted on.
You could see why we came to the other side for you, to show you the other side. Because as you can see, it's definitely a different animal on this side. The big horn right there. Jeremy, stand right next to it. Jeremy, thanks for being on My Car Story and sharing one of your great cars.
My pleasure.